then Zeke, and now Louie, our third loss this week.
And still no cheese.
I'm starving.
We got to get rid of that cat.
That's a trick, son. That's a trick. You can come out now. It's only me, Cousin Hyman.
It's our city cousin, Hyman.
Glad to see you, Hyman.
Hiya, Hyman.
Hyman! Hiya, fellas. Hey, guys. Where's Hiram, Zeke, and Louie?
It's that new cat in the barn, Hyman. He's a killer.
Oh, yeah? Well, just leave me your cousin Hyman. He did it!
Oh, boy, cheese.
Ding dong bell, pussy's in a well. Oh, put her in, little Hyman grin. Oh, pulled her out. Ding dong bell, ding dong bell. Ding dong bell, pussy's in a well.
And who put her in?
Little Hyman, huh? Ding dong bell, pussy's in a well. Oh, put her in, little Hyman grin. Oh, pulled her out. Ding dong bell, ding dong. Huh? Achoo!
Gesundheit.
Oh, Cousin Hyman!
Yeah, he was a nice guy.
Well, folks, all's well that ends in a well.